This is a really good exercise to help people feel more comfortable with squats. You're going to need a TRX strap and a box. First, start sitting on the box so you can get that proper placement with your feet and get a feeling of how low that box is. And then we're going to go from there. Slightly holding on to the handles, or if you need more assistance, then you'll really pull yourself back up. But I want you to lower yourself, pushing your hips back, sitting back into that seat and tapping the box. You can see up here in the top right-hand corner, I don't want your knees to cave in. They should be pointing in the same direction as your toes. So if you squat a little bit wider, your knees will be a little bit wider. It's just depending on where your toes are pointing. And you're going to push your hips back and tap the box. If you do lose your balance, great, you sit down. But if you need a little bit more assistance, you can pull back up. In this example, you'll notice that the box is too far away because one, my chest is too close to my knees, and then look at how much more straight my arms are. You want to keep your arms fairly bent. That's going to help you sit more upright in your squat. And then as you get more comfortable, you can get rid of the box. You might still hold on to the handles if that offers you some comfort. And you might also not be holding on to them very much, but eventually you'll move into a bodyweight squat with no assistance.